うつくしい used when praising scenery, people, sounds, or language. Also used for very good shapes or movements. うつくしい景色や人、音や言葉を褒めるときに使います。とても良い形や動きを言うときにも使います。It is an e-adjective. The word うつくしい describes things that look or sound very good and harmonious, and can also describe a pure, admirable heart or behavior. 見た目や音、形がとても綺麗で調和があること、さらに心や行いが上品で正しく気持ちよく感じられること。The single kanji means beauty. You often see it in art and people-related words. Think of bijutsu and bijin. When you spot it, expect elegance and good looks. This mountain is beautiful. この山は美しい。この山は美しい。Her voice is beautiful. 彼女の声は美しいです。彼女の声は美しいです。I thought the sunset yesterday was beautiful. 昨日の夕日が美しいと感じました。昨日の夕日が美しいと感じました。This photo is very beautiful. この写真はとても美しい。この写真はとても美しい。The most common synonyms of the word are kirei and uruwashi. Kirei overlaps in meaning and can also mean clean. Uruwashi is poetic and formal, used for elegant looks or noble manners. The most common antonyms of the word are minikui and kitanai. Minikui is the opposite in appearance or behavior, while kitanai means dirty or messy, not elegant at all.